It's not your mind's job to sleep. And that's exactly why, when you most want to rest, it keeps you awake. The mind doesn't switch off at night, it switches focus. And once you understand the real role your mind is playing, everything about your nights can start to shift. If you've ever felt your brain ramp up the second your head hits the pillow, you're not alone. Your mind is just doing what it was built to do. Your mind has one job: to keep you alive. It's a receiver, constantly scanning, picking up signals, searching for potential threats. But here's the thing, it doesn't actually know anything. It can't predict the future. It can't promise safety. It just keeps scanning, guessing, trying to protect you. During the day, that scanning has places to go: work, conversations, noise distractions. But once night comes, when the lights are off, and there's nowhere else to look, it turns inward. And then it starts scanning you, your sensations, your thoughts, your fears. And that's where something really important happens, something most people completely miss. If your relationship with sleep has become fragile, that scanning can make the night feel like it's a battlefield. If you find this kind of insight helpful at all, consider subscribing. I share new videos every week to help you understand and gently reprogram those patterns that can keep you stuck in sleeplessness. This is why so many people can say, I distract myself all day, but the second I lie down, my mind starts racing. It's not that you're incapable of sleeping. It's that your mind has learned to associate nighttime with threat. Maybe it started with a few stressful nights. Maybe something big happened in your life. But over time, the mind's scanning locked on to sleep itself, worrying about not sleeping, monitoring how tired you are, checking the clock. The problem isn't that your mind is broken. It's that it's doing the wrong job at the wrong time. The solution isn't to fight the mind into silence. You can't outthink thinking. What helps is changing your relationship to the mind, letting it scan, but not believing every signal it sends you. Gently showing it through new patterns, through calming practices, through acceptance that night is safe again, that sleep isn't something to achieve, it's something to allow. If this resonates with you, and you've been stuck in that loop of scanning, worrying, and watching the clock, this is where things can begin to shift for you. I've shared other videos that go even deeper into how to gently retrain the mind at night. I'll link one here so you can keep exploring this work at your own pace. Your mind was never meant to sleep, but your body always remembers how. Rest well.